Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Austin here from Sneaker Styles, and in this week's video, we're finally gonna take a look at a pair of some Timberlands. Now, if you're anything like me, you may be scared to pull the trigger on any colorway of the Timberland for many different reasons. Reason number one, aren't Timberlands meant for the construction site? Reason number two, how can I lace these without looking like I'm going to boot camp? Bruh. And lastly, reason number three, can I wear them with anything other than a big ass jacket?
What is that? Oh shit, what is
Got
that?
it.
Bruh. So to answer these questions and guide you guys in the right direction, I'm gonna be giving you guys my ultimate guide to Timberland boots. So, to start things off, let's answer the question, aren't Timberlands meant for construction workers? And the short answer to that question is yes, these are meant for the construction site, but as time has continued to fly by, some of the world's greatest influencers have taken the Timberland boot and really kind of adopted it into the fashion world. Something about a very durable, waterproof boot that comes in a variety of some awesome clean colorways seems to interest a lot of people. Now, you may not want to while out and cop the all green pair like I did or go crazy and get the all red, but there are plenty of classic colorways available in the wheat, black, and gray if that's more your style. So to make a quick recap, yes, the Timberland boot did originate for the work site, but it's cool to wear them casually nowadays. As we keep things moving into the second concern, how do you lace these things properly? You want to take all the advantages of a boot without looking like you're headed to Iraq for deployment. Bruh. So, in my opinion, you really have three viable options. You can go with option number one, leaving the boots factory laced as is, which in my opinion doesn't look too bad. Or you can choose to lace the Tim yourself, and I have two different routes you can take if this interests you. With route number one, you can take these laces completely out and do what is honestly a full 180. Instead of starting with the laces underneath the eyes, you can start with them on top. As you continue to lace, you will literally do the complete opposite pattern of the factory lace. Just always remember to skip a set or two of eyes in order to have enough lace to tighten these things up. This 180 change may seem like a very small detail, but you guys have to remember that sometimes less is more. The over-the-top lace look is very familiar to a lot of sneakerheads out there, and in my opinion, it's the perfect happy medium if you're not sure which way to go. But if this just isn't enough for you and you want to stand out a little bit more, lace the boots the exact same way as route 2, but don't tie them at the end. I know plenty of people who love the loose look, and that's not confined to just Timbs. Right after slipping the boot on each foot, you can tie a knot on each end to stop the lace from coming undone. Okay, so we've come to the understanding that Timberlands can be worn casually, and I've shown you guys three different ways to lace them. What's next? You can buy any colorway of the Timberland you want. You can lace it in the perfect pattern, but if the outfit you're wearing doesn't flow with the Timbs themselves, you're taking an L. Because of this, I'm gonna finish off by showing you guys how to dress your outfit around these boots. Although the large jacket may seem basic, it sticks around because it works. I personally have a very large winter jacket that works perfectly layered with a hoodie, but even the right colored bomber matching your pair of Timbs with a white elongated tee underneath could match things perfectly. But Austin, what if it's springtime, I'm trying to gain that extra 2 inches to my height and I'm not trying to sweat in that jacket? The answer to this question may seem very simple, but it's a great one. You can always rock these with the perfect flannel. Both buttoned and unbuttoned looks will work great, but I also recommend that you guys throw on some jewelry like a quick watch or a necklace to kind of spice things up a little bit. I personally recommend going very neutral up top with a very vibrant pop down low, as I'm trying to do with this green colorway. And I know sometimes we want to keep it casual, throw on that quick pair of white Vans, maybe even a black pair, but when you really want to pop, you really want to stunt a little bit, a very bright, vibrant color of the Timberland boot is the great option. But just like I told you guys a few minutes back in this video, the neutral color tones such as your wheat, black, or gray are always available if you're not trying to stand out. To give you guys a quick visual of what these boots can really look like on foot, I'm going to throw on a couple different outfits, head out to the real world, and give you guys a few quick clips. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to go down below and click subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss my new upload every single Friday. If you guys could also go down below and drop a quick like rating, I would really appreciate it because it helps me grow just that little bit faster. As a quick reminder, these are definitely just my personal tips. If you feel like I'm missing anything, if you feel like I can improve on something, make sure to go down below in the comment section and let me know there. But without any further ado, I'll quit talking. Let's get into the outfits.
Silky beat.